In the meantime, Apple, they've released some earnings.
Okay.
And Apple's just doing Apple things. They're just shipping phones and retaking their crown as the world's most valuable brand. Now, as far as most valuable brand is concerned, this has the way that this is evaluated by MarketWatch is that it has something to do with the brand recognition, the brand value outside of something like a market cap. There is, I mean, they have a $2 trillion market cap, or they reached a $2 trillion market cap. So they're not hurting in that department. But the question then becomes brand value, recognizability, trust, customer perception, things like this. Apple has overtaken Amazon to become the world's most valuable brand for the first time in 5 years, according to a global report. The value of the technology giant's brand has climbed 87% in the past year. It's called the Brand Finance Global 500 2021 Index. The rise was down to Apple's diversification strategy, which has seen the company expand into digital and subscription services and potentially into electric cars in the future. As Apple reclaims the title for the world's most valuable brand from Amazon, 5 years since it last held the top spot. So a lot of diversification leads to that. Involvement in such a variety of product segments and services, and the promise of continuing to do so into the future has contributed to this. Tesla is what is considered the fastest mover in the market as far as this same brand value is concerned. And some of the companies that have fallen in the opposite direction, companies like Boeing, American Airlines, United Airlines, obviously travel-related companies. Amazon dropped to second place, and Google took third place. Again, this is a independent analysis of the brand as a whole. And market cap plays a role, but it's not the only element that's being analyzed.